Namaste beautiful yogis. Today we're doing beginner HIIT workout, 12 minutes of work. So this is a workout you can do as often as you wish to. Modify it and progress it over time. You can do it up to 3-4 times a week, and it's a full complete workout. Pair it with a walk or gardening, working around the house, etc., so that you have other movement during the day. But this is enough as far as cardiovascular and strength workout goes. 12 minutes of work. You will be done in just 12 minutes, but warm up first. And we're gonna do 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. So a lot of rest, 30% of the workout is rest. So it is a 8-minute really of actual workout. You can do 8 minutes, and you can do it often because you can fit it in your day. I'll show you the exercises. It is a HIIT, so that stands for high intensity interval training, and I will make it a little more moderate intensity, but still there is gonna be intensity. That's the whole point. Just sweating a little bit and taking the heartbeat up improves our cardiovascular capacity and helps with many things: lymphatic drainage, building strength, building endurance. It helps with a lot of aspects of exercise, but also healthy living. For more sessions like this, come to my playlist. I have a few beginner playlists, beginner to intermediate beginner playlists. For complete beginners, I have 3 to 6 month beginner series on my website that you can download. And of course, for more workouts, full yoga classes, full length workouts, come to my website. On my membership, I have hundreds. Today's session is for everybody because we're gonna modify to our needs, and we can build cardiovascular capacity, strength, endurance just in 12 minutes a day. Okay, the first exercise is squat jumps. So if you're very new to you're a complete beginner, which this exercise is for beginners, but complete beginners should first do my beginner series, which is a 3-month program. If you're very athletic but a beginner, then you can do this. Or if you're experienced beginner, someone that has done a little bit of yoga before, or a lot of yoga, just beginner level. So squats. You'll get your feet to be wider than hip width apart, toes pointing out, knees following the toes, and you will do squat and come up. That's for a beginner. Otherwise, you can do squat and light hop. So this is not a deep squat, which is an advanced move. This is a shallow squat and jump, shallow squat and jump. Progress it over time. Go a little deeper and jump, a little deeper, jump. Keep the belly in. If you can't do that, knee problems, etc., then you're gonna hold a nice wall squat with the lower back pressing into the wall and your ankles underneath your knees. Nothing looking like ankles close to you, because that would put a lot of strain on your knees. All right, I already feel it. The next exercise is lunge jump. Again, I'll give you progressions. If you're a complete beginner, then you're gonna step back, step in, step back, step in. Again, knee over the ankle, belly in. Now, the next level is squat, back lunge to knee hop. And the next level can be jumps in place. So that's the next exercise. The third exercise is the same, only on the opposite side. Take the level that works for you. This is for everybody to modify, however it fits for them. The next exercise is push-up. So from the knees, straight back, push-up, push-up. If you can do it from the feet, do that. Otherwise, just focus on form and keeping the belly in, really keeping that straight line. And And if you cannot do from your knees, then you're gonna do push-ups from the wall. And the last exercise is crunches, side crunches. We are going to lay on one side, extend the bottom arm underneath, and really power up the obliques. Lift, lift, lift. Last exercise is the same on the opposite side. This is enough as a full body toning. Warming up before you begin with walking in place, stretching a little bit and so forth. Do a warm up before you begin. And if you have a lot of time today, you can also do a beginner yoga class after, which is more of a stretchy in class, if you wish to. Otherwise, this for me is going to be the only thing I do. I've been doing when I travel, when I have a lot of work and I don't have a lot of time, then I do this type of workout, and that is enough, absolutely and completely enough. And which I cannot stress enough, because a lot of you believe that you have to kill yourself in order for it to be enough. No, this is enough. Just raising your pulse a little bit, your heartbeat a little bit is enough. And involving all the muscles in some form of intense movement, totally enough. And you can vary how intense it feels on different days by speeding it up, slowing it down, and modifying the exercises. All right, this was a very long intro. Let's begin. I'll put the timer on. And we're starting with squat jumps.
Starting session.
Squat jumps. Pushing the booty as far back as you can. And you don't have to jump.
Work.
Really squeezing the booty. You want to involve the glutes in your squats rather than just quads.
Rest.
Rest and prepare for lunge, jump, right leg leading.
Work.
So you can just step back or bring a hop in or jump in place. Whichever one works for you. You should feel your quads burning.
Rest.
Opposite side. Again, stepping back, knee hop, or jumping in place. Knee over the ankle. Pull the belly in, squeeze, booty and quads, glutes and quads. Woo! All right.
Rest.
Push up. Straight back.
Work.
Really squeeze the belly.
Rest.
Side crunches. Laying on your right side, really powering the move through your obliques.
Rest.
Opposite side.
Work. Rest.
Starting again with squat jumps.
Work.
Sit on the squat sits or sitting, pressing into the wall is an option here. Introducing some hopping and higher intensity, if your joints allow, is really beneficial to your bone density, joint strength. Lunge variation, lunge jump, lunge step, hop.
Work.
Opposite side.
Work.
You see, I'm building core, obliques, quads, glutes, hamstrings, upper body, all in 12 minutes. Perfectly enough. Push-ups.
Work. Rest.
Side crunch.
Work. Rest.
Opposite side.
Work. Rest.
We are halfway in, just like that. Squat jumps. We're repeating this whole combination 2 more times and that's it.
Work.
Squeeze the booty here.
Rest.
Lunge jump.
Work. Rest.
Opposite side. Marching.
Work.
Keep your knee above your ankle.
Rest.
Push up. Pull the belly in, flat back,
Work.
go. side crunches.
Work.
Really try to involve your obliques here, so you're squeezing the sides of the body.
Rest.
Opposite side. Breathe.
Work. Rest.
Last set. You can do it. You can so do it. Squat jumps. Squats, wall squats.
Work. Rest.
Lunge jumps.
Work.
Lower that knee. Come up.
Rest.
I so feel this. Opposite side.
Work.
You can do it. This is the last lunge we do.
Rest.
Oh, the burn. Push up.
Work. Rest.
Last two exercises. We have side crunch. I'll modify it with my legs on the ground
Work.
and really flexing here. Your bottom arm is helping just a little bit, but you're really flexing the obliques, the side of the abs, the side abdominals.
Rest.
Opposite side. Last exercise.
Work.
And we're done. Bring your hands at the front of the mat, spread the fingers wide open. Yay!
Session complete.
And step into plank. Flatten the body, take the tailbone down, pull the belly in, shoulders wide and away from the ears. Hold and let the burn happen. Let the burn begin. Bend the knees, walk your feet in, knees hovering over the floor, pull the belly in. Great. Come up to standing, stretching the sides, stretching the sides, stretching the sides, stretching the sides. Thanks for joining me today. Good job. Namaste.